Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's content is going to be about the wonderful healing properties of turquoise. So we're going to talk about turquoise healing properties as well as the history, a little bit about the source as well, the geology behind turquoise. We're going to keep it short and simple and concentrated at the same time. So turquoise is a wonderful fusion of green and blue, a combination of cooling and soothing energy to the heart and to the emotions as well. And turquoise is very healing. It contains healing benefits historically that have been used, and it particularly works well with different situations as well. So in terms of the geology, turquoise is a valuable mineral that's known scientifically as hydrated copper aluminum phosphate, and in color ranges from sky blue to also different shades such as blue green, and the more iron that is present, the greener the shade becomes. And true specimens of turquoise, they contain tiny crystalline deposits that can only be seen by a microscope, and unfortunately turquoise is one of the most common stones to sell unauthentically, so you will be likely to get fake turquoise if you are not careful, because what happens is they use the howlite crystal to dye it, to stain it, and to make it look like turquoise. Turquoise is actually quite expensive and should not be cleaned with chemicals, and you should not use warm soapy water with turquoise, or just keep it away from water in general. I got a turquoise a while ago from the gemstone store, and I wore it as a necklace, and I went about my own day, and it was a really hot day, so by the end of the day I looked in and the turquoise color has changed to a little bit of yellow on the side, and I know that it's authentic, but because it got into contact with water, that's why this has happened. So since then I've been quite careful with my turquoise, keeping it away from water. So in regards to the sourcing, Iran produces a very pale sky blue turquoise. It doesn't have any green tinges and no veins as well. And there's also other areas such as New Mexico, Arizona. They are also wonderful sources of turquoise. We've got Afghanistan, and mainly the Middle East regions are great sources of this wonderful gemstone. So in relation to the historical use, for thousands of years, Persia was the main source of turquoise. Also Egypt, in Sinai, turquoise was being mined for over 5,000 years. In Mexico, they also use turquoise, and also in the southeast USA, the Native American Navajo continue to make fine turquoise jewelry that they prefer to use with silver. So in relation to the healing benefits of turquoise, turquoise is believed to help in bringing courage to the heart and strengthening your awareness of all life forms, and it's used in healing in order to tone the body, and also helping to ease areas such as the lungs, the chest, the throat area, and it's also believed to boost the immune system. So it's considered as a protective stone that has so many different benefits for the body overall. So if you've used turquoise before, please share in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed today's content about turquoise, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.